Today, I want to share something with you that might seem a little unusual at first, but once you understand it, you'll realize how important it really is. Imagine being told that just 2 minutes every morning could make your body healthier, more energized, and gradually better overall. Just 2 minutes. No complicated exercises, no expensive machines, no long lists of medicines or supplements. Just one simple habit that can have a deep, positive impact on your body. Many people think that aging and a weakening body are natural processes that can't be changed. But science shows us that the real difference isn't just your age, it's the state of your body from the inside. That's why there are 2 types of age: chronological age, which is your actual age, and biological age, which reflects your body's true health, energy, and strength. A lot of women are young in years, but constantly feel tired and sluggish. They wake up with a heavy body, a slow mind, and feel exhausted all day. Meanwhile, some women, even if they are older, look lively, fresh, and full of energy. Research shows that these differences usually come from small daily habits, not a single big factor. Morning time is especially important because it's when the body wakes up from sleep and reactivates its systems. If you give your body a little movement, some deep breaths, and a few moments of focus, your blood circulation improves. Oxygen reaches every part of your body more efficiently, and your energy system works better. When this habit is maintained daily, over time, you'll notice that your energy improves, your body feels lighter, your sleep becomes deeper, and your face starts to look refreshed and glowing. That's why today, I'm going to share a very simple 2-minute morning routine. It's easy to do, but if you practice it daily, over time, you'll notice a clear difference in your body and overall health. So let's dive right in and go through the full details. Step 1. Wim Hof breathing technique. The first step is a special breathing method called the Wim Hof breathing technique. This isn't like the regular automatic breaths we take every day. It's a short but specific way of breathing that research has shown can increase oxygen levels in your blood, reduce inflammation in the body, and activate systems responsible for repairing and protecting your cells. And the best part? It doesn't take much time, just about 1 minute. So how do you do it? In the morning, sit comfortably on a chair with your back straight and your body relaxed. Start taking deep, powerful breaths, about 30 in total. When you breathe in, first fill your belly with air, then your chest, and then gently exhale. Don't force the air out. Just let it flow out softly. Each inhale and exhale cycle should take around 2 to 3 seconds, and after about 30 breaths, you'll have completed the round. After the 30 breaths, exhale completely once, and then hold your breath. Hold it for as long as it feels comfortable, but don't strain your body. Many people can hold for 30 to 60 seconds at first, and over time, it becomes easier. When you feel the need to breathe again, take a deep breath in, hold it for 10-15 seconds, and then release gently. That completes 1 full cycle. If you're just starting, do only 1 cycle. Once it becomes a habit, you can gradually increase it to 2 or even 3 cycles. And that was the first step of this simple morning routine. Step 2. Cold water face plunge. Now let's move on to the second step. This one is even simpler than the first, but it's considered extremely powerful in terms of its effects. It's called the cold water face plunge, and it takes only about 30 seconds. The purpose of this step is to stimulate the systems in your body that help you feel refreshed and energized. To do this, either go to a wash basin or take a large bowl and fill it with very cold water. If the water isn't cold enough, you can add ice, because lukewarm water won't be as effective. Take a deep breath and dip your face into the water for 10-15 seconds. Then, lift your face, take 2 to 3 deep breaths, and dip it again for another 10 to 15 seconds. In total, this takes about 30 seconds. If it feels difficult at first, don't worry. You can start by just splashing cold water on your face to get used to it. As your comfort and confidence grow, gradually work your way up to the full face plunge. These 2 small habits, which together take only 2 minutes, can completely change the way your mornings feel. Over time, they can help you feel more refreshed, energized, and healthy. But here's something very important that many people overlook. The cold water step isn't just for feeling refreshed. Research shows that exposure to cold water activates special proteins in your body called cold shock proteins. These proteins strengthen the systems responsible for cell repair, protection, and energy production. At the same time, this practice activates systems that reduce inflammation, gradually helping to calm your body from the inside and improve its natural repair processes. Step 3. AMPK activation movement. Now let's move on to the third step, which also takes only about 30 seconds. This involves a small movement, but even brief activity has a powerful effect on your body. When you give your body just 30 seconds of gentle effort, a special enzyme called AMPK is activated. This enzyme helps reduce inflammation, improve blood sugar regulation, and signal your cells to repair and regenerate, the same system that fasting activates. You can choose from a few simple options: a plank hold, keeping your body straight on your elbows and toes for 30-40 seconds, air squats, standing and performing 20 to 30 slow, controlled squats without weights, or a wall sit, leaning your back against a wall and sliding down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, holding for 30 seconds. You don't need to do all three, pick one, or rotate them on different days. Together with the previous steps, deep breathing and cold water face plunges, these movements activate multiple systems in your body, calming the nervous system, balancing hormones, awakening proteins important for skin and cellular health, and signaling your body to repair and generate energy. A small bonus tip: letting sunlight reach your eyes for 30 to 40 seconds in the morning helps regulate your sleep cycle and keeps your energy levels active throughout the day. These practices work quietly inside your body, so you won't see immediate changes, but with consistent practice for at least a month, you'll notice waking up becomes easier, energy stays more stable, your mind feels sharper, and your body feels lighter and healthier. Over time, your mood improves, inflammation reduces, joint pressure and aches feel lighter, and your body feels soft and revitalized. This 2-minute morning routine is a small ritual that sends a clear message to your body: I am taking care of you. Just like a plant grows stronger and greener with daily care, your body responds to consistent, small efforts, gradually improving your systems, boosting energy, and creating a calmer, more balanced start to your day.